Hey, what's going on, guys? Look, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. This is a straight up ad. Straight up, shameless, unapologetic ad for the new Samsung Reserve campaign. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this opportunity to tell you that you are freaking awesome. Yeah, man, I don't care what your baby mama said about you. I don't care how much stuff you screwed up at work today. I just don't care. The fact that you here and you come here all the time to hang out with me and you leave great comments, you hit the like button, you didn't smash on that subscribe button and all that whatnot, and you keep coming back. You're awesome. You helped me have the best job I've ever had in my life. This is awesome, man. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I just figured I'd take this opportunity to put in this shameless plug for Samsung because they got this new Reserve campaign. We'll talk about these smartphones in a second, but dude, you're awesome. I just wanted to tell you I appreciate you, bro. But now let's get back to the business because I got bills to pay, okay? I need y'all to click these links. Now check this out, man. This is the Galaxy smartphone with $100 Samsung credit. They're giving you $100, and this is on top of any trade-ins, by the way. So they're giving you $100 for a smartphone if you reserve it. And then it looks like you get, this is a or. So it's not and, it's a or. So if you get the smartphone and if you reserve the smartphone and the watch and the Buds bundle, they're giving you a total of $200. So go ahead and click that link, man. Here's the thing about the Samsung phone. So I tried the foldable. I tried the Galaxy Fold when it came out last year. It's a cool phone, but it wasn't really for me because it was such an awkward phone until you unfolded it. So I'm kind of excited this year, man. It looks like, I don't know if they're you see the little thing right there, the little greater than sign? It looks like they're really pushing the flip. So I don't know which one is gonna be the best one this year, but I got mine on reserve already. So I'm gonna see what that's all about. So you need to get yours too, but make sure you click them links, man, because I got bills to pay. You know what I'm saying? All right, you awesome mofos. Y'all get out of here. Keep being good to each other, and I'll see you when I see you.